Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. This is Africa's talking developer community, and we are back again in 2023 with more energy, more psych, ready for the year to take more action. Yes, we're back. This is our first hackathon. We are in January and we're excited for it. What do we have in store this year? This will be a big year. We will be everywhere and anywhere, in a place near you, a hackathon near you anytime. This is the energy we're bringing. So get ready, get reading, get learning, get knowing, get sharing. This is the time. This is your time to now explore and shine. As you can see today, we have our hackathon going on at the back. People here are getting excited. We're heading towards the presentation time. So you can feel the energy in the room. People are pumped, finalizing on those small details or big details, depending on how you planned your time. But this is it. This is the atmosphere. That's the energy and the psych. We're excited. In a few hours, we'll get to see what has been hacked on all day and what that entails. This is the place to be if you want to be part of a community that is actively on the move, actively learning. The tech world is changing each and every day. So why are you sitting on your skill or thinking that you have enough? This is the place where you get to grow each day. You're challenged, and that challenge pushes us to be better at what we do. That is what we're excited about this year, especially. Challenging ourselves, and everyone should just do anything you can just to make sure that you are moving. Progress is progress just as long as you're moving. And in a community, we get to do better. That's why we're here at the AT developer community. In fact, come with me. Let me show you what's going on here. Hi.
Hi.
Would you mind just introducing yourself? And how are you feeling today?
So my name is Cyrus Ndirangu. I'm a dev. And I'm feeling happy. We just finished one part of the algorithm and we are almost cracking the next one. Yeah.
Interesting. What's this algorithm about? What are you hacking today?
Well, because I don't want our opponents to hear what I'm saying, basically think of it as a way of filtering data against parameters that you've gotten from the front end. Yeah.
Interesting. A way.
Yeah.
Cool. As you said it, a way of filtering data. Yeah. Interesting. Opponents, I hope you're not listening. What would you like to tell other devs who are not here today? Why are they not here?
You guys are really missing out because one, we learned a lot today. We learned about how we can incorporate third-party services, specifically banking platforms, with our applications. So I think it would be wise if you're building solutions for Kenyan or African people to just purpose to attend an Africa's Talking Hackathon. Yeah.
Awesome. I think I'll leave you to it.
Thank you. I might forget the algorithm.
Exactly, and we don't want that. All the best. Hi. Tell us, introduce yourself, your name, and then how are you feeling today?
Okay, my name is Martin Wenena. I'm a software developer by profession. I develop mostly Android apps, APIs, and also maybe some websites. Today's solution, I'm mostly factoring in all these developers that are here. Now consider all these developers are here. What will happen? There will be first position, second position, third position. What about the rest of the developers? What will happen to them? Most of them maybe had sleepless nights preparing for this hackathon, but eventually we'll have only 3 winners. What will happen to them? So what I did, I came up with a solution whereby we'll be offering free credit to all the developers that are here upon arrival. So what can happen is we can have 2 scenarios whereby they can be offered credit upon arrival or maybe during departure, but I think during departure it will mostly be suitable. So this application, it's an Android application whereby you can scan QR code that will be generated by the admin. After scanning the QR code, you receive an M-Pesa activation maybe link automatically. So that's the working platform of this application. Not only that, we're also factoring in those who are using featured phones, whereby if you don't have a smartphone, we'll have an SSD application whereby you'll be given a free activation link or maybe a secret key. By keying in, you'll get a free airtime. Yeah, that's all about this application.
Interesting. Thinking about other devs, that's noble. Now, on that note, what would you tell devs who are not here? What are they missing out on? How would you encourage them to be here next time?
They're missing a lot, to be honest. Personally, I didn't know how to implement Africa's talking APIs. I've also learned other things along the way. So they are missing a lot, plus networking opportunities. You can't network while you're at home. So get out, come to this event, network, learn a few things. Yeah, and call it a day.
Nice, call it a day. All the best. Can get back to work and yeah, good stuff. Interesting. Let's see what this other table is doing. Hi.
Hi.
Sorry to interrupt. Can you maybe just introduce yourself and how are you feeling today? Yeah.
My name is Paul Munyao-Mutiso. I'm a programmer. I'm a bit nervous. You meet really smart people. You think you're smart until you meet really great engineers. So, a bit nervous, but I'm trying to learn as much as I can.
Great, that's a good mindset. Nervous but ready to learn. Maybe you can also tell us what are you working on today for the hackathon?
So today I'm trying to work on, sending airtime. Actually, the way it was listed in the documentation. So there are 4. You can choose from the 4 products that something that you can work on. So what I'm choosing to work on is distributed. It's called it's something more distributed. So it's sending airtime to different people without using a USSD. So what basically happens, you input so many numbers. Quite a number, so many phone numbers. Then from those phone numbers, you can be able to distribute airtime. Like there's no particular, let's say you put 900 shillings, and you put 3 people. So these 3 people can get, can divide themselves. The 900 worth of airtime amongst the 3 of them. Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Seem to be getting into the product and using it well. So, any parting shots you would have for us?
I'll encourage people to come to hackathons. They are really great in as much as, it's a bit intimidating at times if you're not getting, especially when you're getting so many errors. But at the end of the day, it's all about learning. It's not like who'll become number 1, number 2, number 3. It's all about like the learning experience. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. All the best as you proceed with your project. Yeah, it's a challenge, but yeah, we had to be challenged and get better. Interesting. Hi. So just introduce yourselves to us, your name, and how do you feel today?
Okay, my name is Lisa Adongo. I'm learning software development. Yeah, it's my second time in a hackathon event. I feel so privileged to be part of the team. Yes, I've learned new skills. Yes, yeah, and it's networking.
Awesome. Yes. And you?
Hi, my name is Adam Secho. I'm a software developer.
Great, awesome. Now, since you're here in the hackathon, tell us a bit about what solution you're hacking today.
Okay, we have a solution, and what made us to come up with this solution is because the increase in the cost of living. So we're trying to come up with a solution which can reduce the cost of living by buying products at a cheaper price. We're selling in discounts. So basically, our web app is called Primer Shop. Yeah, Primer Shops. So in Primer Shops, we sell products at discounts, whereby you find in most systems, you get there's that chain from the manufacturers to the wholesalers, then wholesalers to the retailers, then retailers. It's when it reaches the consumers. So in our system, it's from the manufacturers to the retailers, which is us as the Primer shoppers, and then we immediately give the products to the consumers. So the consumers buy them at a cheaper price. Yeah. Through discounts, and then we implement the API whereby the frequency in which a consumer or the shopkeeper, the retailer, buys products from our site. Yeah, you get airtime as a reward. So we use the API. Yeah.
Interesting. Looking for current events to find a solution. That's a very nice idea. Maybe you can say something to other devs who are not here. What would you like to tell them? Are they missing out? Or, yeah, tell them a bit.
Yeah, what I'd like to tell other devs is that they should participate more in hackathons because being part of an hackathon, you benefit from learning, networking with other developers, and also you get a chance to showcase your skill and whatever you are doing out there. So I will encourage them to be taking part, especially whatever it is doing is really great because we gain we get a chance to interact with AT APIs, which is really great. And you can also come up with, you can scale your business, an idea, and to make it a business from here. Yeah.
Interesting, interesting. You have good things coming up. So all the best, guys. Continue with your work. The energy here is infectious. As you can see, the devs are just getting prepared. Final minutes as they prepare for the presentations, and the solutions are good. To all the developers out there, you're missing out. You're missing out on a lot, clearly, as you have seen from them. Well, every final Thursday of the month, you know where to be. I am Sylvia Chebet. This is Africa's Talking Developer Community, Nairobi, and we love nerds.